Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous lectures, we learned about various data types in detail such as list, tuple, and string. Today we will discuss dictionary in detail. So the content we covered today are the introduction, after that how to create the dictionary, how to access the element present in the dictionary, how to update or add new elements, how to remove particular element or delete the whole dictionary, some built-in function, and at the end, we learn about some methods available in dictionary. So, start with the introduction. As we know that when we learn about data type, that Python dictionary is used to store data in key value form. Okay, there is no such indexing. Index on behalf of indexing, there is a key, but that key is provided by you, and this key should be unique. And on that key, value is given so that whenever you call a key, this value will fetch. Okay. That's why I have written over here this point. Dictionary is the mutable data structure. What it means? It means that you can add or update or delete the elements from the dictionary, while the keys are immutable Python object. So here, keys cannot be updatable. You cannot change the keys. You can only change the value on keys. Okay. So where it is used? In real world, there are various situations where key value pair format is needed. First example is if you want to store the record of students in your class. Okay, so based on your roll number, the name value is to be stored. So such kind of information when is to be used, then dictionary is most suitable data type. Okay. Again, there is an advantage of key value pair format, that is due to uniqueness of the key, the retrieval time of any value is optimized. Clear? Now, how to create the Python dictionary? So it is very simple. You have to use curly braces for dictionary. And again, each key value format is separated with colon, and each item is separated with commas. That's it. So in the next slide, here you can see that I am going to try to create an empty dictionary here. D1 is equal to curly braces open, curly braces close. So whenever I wanted to search which type of variable D1 is, it will show this is type of dictionary. Okay. One thing is to be remembered that dictionary keys are case sensitive. If the same name but with different letters, one is capital letter and another one is small letter, then Python interpreter treated that keys differently or distinctly. Here I have given the example in D3. Okay, so how? Here you can see that. Sorry, in D4, PI in small letter and here PI is in capital letter. So both keys are different and treated separately. Okay, so this is to be remembered. And second thing, the same keys cannot be repeated. Value can be repeated. There is no such condition. Clear? Same value can be repeated or heterogeneous value can also be used in dictionary. Now move on. How to access elements? It is very simple with the help of what? Keys. Why? Because there is no such indexing in dictionary. So 1 is the key, 2 is the key, 3 is the key. Based on key 1, hi will be fetched. Based on key 2, hello will be fetched out. And based on key 3, namaste will be printed. So here I am going to try D of key 1. 1 is not the index. 1 is the key. So hi will be printed. D3, namaste will be printed. Again, the same thing. If there is no such key and you are trying to fetch out the data, it will give key error exception. Like here, D5. 5 is not available over here. That's why key error exception is generated. And again, if I'm going to try to give value in brackets other than the keys, it will again generate an exception key error. Other than this, there is a separate method get is also used to fetch the data. How? D dot get bracket, you have to supply the key. So here 2. So it will print hello. But here there is something you have to remember. Whenever you use get method and trying to fetch the value on key that is not available, like here 5. 5 is not here. So it will give or return the value none. Okay, there is no exception will generate in their case. This is the advantage of using get method. Okay, so this is the difference when you are using bracket and when you are using get method. Now moving on further, how to update or add elements. As we know that dictionaries are mutable, so we can add new items as well as we can change the value of the existing item too. So how? In this case, D dictionary is created. Now, I'm going to try to change the value of key 1. Right now, on key 1, value is high. Now, I am trying to update good morning. So, here you can see that now the dictionary is changed. Again, I am going to try to add what? New element. So I have to give new key like 4 and value against it. So new item will be added successfully. Clear? So this is the very basic thing that you have to remember. Now, how to remove or delete? So there are various mechanisms available in the dictionary. First one is pop. So in pop, you have to supply argument as a key, which data you want to delete. So here, in this example, I want to delete the value which is available on key 1. So right now there is 3 values. After popping or removing particular element, there is only 2 key value pair are available. Clear? Again, there is another method known as pop item that can also be used, but here you did not supply any argument like this. Here I have not written the closing bracket. So it will pop the last element that you have added, because you know that in stack, the philosophy is what? Last in, first out. So it means whatever you have inserted in the last, that will be fetched or deleted first. So key 3 and the value 9 will be deleted. And now there is only one key value element present. Again, now, if you want to delete the whole dictionary, there is two methods. First one is you can use the clear method. Okay. But here in clear method, only the whole data can be cleared, but D1 dictionary is still existed with empty list. So here you can see that D1 dot clear. Now, if I want to print D1, it will print what? Empty curly braces. Okay. So there is the same thing that we applied in the previous data types like list or tuples. There is a del keyword can also be used. But here, del will delete the whole dictionary from the memory. So if I want to delete the whole dictionary, then we have to use del d2. And if I am going to try to fetch d2, there will be an exception generated known as what? Name error. Clear? So there is a small difference between clear and del. When you use clear method, only the whole elements are deleted, but dictionary is still present in the memory. But using del keyword, element as well as the dictionary is deleted from the memory permanently. Okay. Now, some built-in function that you already known. First one is len. Len is used to find out how many elements are present. So here it will show two type. You already know which type of variable is this. So it will print dictionary type. So it is very easy. Some basic Methods are copy, keys, values, and update. So, as the name suggests, copy will create a duplicate dictionary. So, here D1 is created. Now, I am going to copy the whole dictionary in D2. So, what is to be done? D1 dot copy. So, if I'm going to try to print D2, it will print the same data elements. And what is the key method? It will return all the keys present in the dictionary. So here only two keys are there, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is printed over here. Value will given, it will return all the values available in the dictionary. So hi and hello will be printed. Now what is update? Update is again a method that can be used to add new elements. So here you can see that in D1 there are two elements. Now I am going to try to add D2. Okay. So you have to supply dictionary itself in the update argument. So now D1 has three elements. Clear? So that's all for today. Today you learned about dictionary data type with various functionalities applied on that. I hope you enjoyed the session and you now known every aspect of dictionary data type. In the next class, we will start our last topic of Unit 2, that is set data type in detail. Thank you so much.